Good morning. Do you know how to talk about your morning routine in English? In today's lesson, you'll learn 50 easy English sentences through fun conversations between a mom and her child. Practice waking up, making the bed, brushing your teeth, getting dressed, and eating breakfast. Listen, repeat, and improve your English naturally. Let's start your day with English. Good morning, sunshine. It is time to wake up.
Good morning, Mom. The sun is so bright today.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I had a very sweet dream about flying.
Oh, that sounds wonderful.
It was.
Stretch your arms up high and get out of bed.
Okay, look how high I can stretch my arms.
That's it. Good job.
I'm ready for the day.
Are you still feeling sleepy, my little one?
A little bit, but I am ready to get up.
Let's open the curtains to let the fresh air in.
Wow, I can hear the birds singing outside.
Can you help me make your bed now, please?
Yes, I can pull up my heavy blanket.
Put your favorite teddy bear nicely on the pillow.
There you go. Teddy is sitting on the pillow now.
That's right, sweetie. Good job.
He looks comfy.
Let's smooth out the bed sheets together.
Look, Mom, I can do it by myself.
You did a wonderful job making your bed.
Thank you. It looks very neat and clean now.
It is a good habit to tidy up your room.
I will do it every morning from now on.
Go to the bathroom to wash your face and brush your teeth.
Okay, I am running to the bathroom right now. Whee!
Don't forget to use your strawberry toothpaste.
I know. I will brush my teeth for 2 whole minutes.
Okay, sweetie, time to brush.
Okay, Mommy.
Good job, back and forth.
I'm brushing.
You're doing great, sweetie. Use this clean towel to dry your face gently.
Thank you, Mom. My face feels so fresh and clean.
Remember to rinse your mouth thoroughly with water.
Look at my teeth, Mom. Are they sparkling white?
Oh, they are sparkling, sweetie.
Yay, all clean.
I'm so proud of you. Yes, they look perfect. Now put your toothbrush away.
Okay, I will place it back in the cup.
Which shirt do you want to wear today?
I want to wear my blue shirt with the dinosaur.
That's a great choice. Let me help you with these tricky buttons.
Thank you, Mom. I can pull up my shorts by myself.
Of course you can, sweetie. Now, let's comb your hair nicely in front of the mirror.
Look, I look very smart and handsome today.
Yes, you do, my handsome boy. Put on your clean white socks, please.
Where are my socks? Ah, I found them under the chair.
You are all dressed up and ready to go.
I really like my outfit for today.
Breakfast is ready. Come to the kitchen, please.
Wow, it smells so good. What did you make?
Your favorite, eggs, toast, and fresh pastries.
Yay, thank you.
Wash your hands with soap before you touch the food.
Okay, my hands are clean and ready to eat.
Good job. Now you can eat. Be careful, the hot milk is on the table.
Thank you for telling me. I will drink it slowly.
That's a good idea, sweetie.
It's good.
Eat your delicious food and enjoy your breakfast.
This is so yummy. Thank you for the meal, Mom. It's the best breakfast ever.
Great job! Now you know how to talk about your morning routine in English. Keep practicing these conversations every day, and you'll become more confident with speaking and listening. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new Easy English Daily video. See you in the next lesson. Have a wonderful day. Bye.